Transplant Immunology and Immunogenetics, Soumi Sadhu. Dipali Krishnan. Sir, I present to you the candidates who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of Magister de Chirurgy, MCH, in various disciplines, to which I pray they may be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Director of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, I admit you all to the degree of Magister Chirurgy, MCH, in various disciplines of this institute, and I charge you that ever in your life you prove worthy of the same.
Cardiothoracic and Vascular Surgery, Patel Kartik Kumar. GI Surgery, Rajesh Pawar. Vishnu Prasad Ravela. Arif Ali Khan. Premananda Patnaik. Neurosurgery, Nishant Goyal. Pradeep Choksi. Savarkar Dattaraj Paramanand.
You can clap
Nityanand
loudly.
Pandey. Rajveer Singh. Mayank Garg. Ratnadeep Bose. Satya Shiva Munjal. Nandish HS. Pediatric Surgery, Karunesh Chand. Amit Kumar Singh. Vikram Khanna. Divya Bhadu. Deepak Mittal. Santosh Kumar De. Urology, Lok Prakash Chaudhary. Animesh Singh. Niren Rao. Sir, I present to you the candidates who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of Doctor of Medicine, DM, in various disciplines, to which I pray they may be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Director of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, I admit you all to the degree of Doctor of Medicine, DM, in various disciplines of this institute, and I charge you that ever in your life you prove worthy of the same.
Cardiac anesthesia, Sarvesh Pal Singh. Cardiology, Jeet Ram. Sushil Kumar Jain. Hematopathology, Abhishek Purohit. Medical oncology, Prashant Mehta. Safalta Bagmar. Arvind Kumar. Neonatology, Subhash Chandra Shah. Nephrology, Raj Kanwar Yadav. Amit Kumar. Amritaksha Dev. Yogesh Kumar Chhabda. Neuroanesthesiology, Surya Kumar Dubey. Vanitha Rajagopalan. Priyanka Gupta. Ankur Lothra. What's your name? Bhavna, what is your name? Your name is first. What is your next name? Bhavna Hooda. Go slow. Varun Jain. Neurology, Geetika Bajpayee. Neha Roy. Abhishek Pathak. Khushbu Goyal. Kamlesh Chakrabarti. Kunal Behrani. Neha. Neuroradiology, Ravi Chetan Sasikant.
Thank you, sir. I would like to call the...
I now request the President Ames to kindly take a seat, please. Thank you so much, sir.
I would now request Honorable Director Ames to introduce and invite our Chief Guest for the convocation address.
Thank you, Dr. Amit. It is my proud privilege and honor to introduce the Chief Guest of today's convocation, 43rd convocation, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, when we have entered in the Diamond Jubilee year of its establishment, Shri Arun Jaitley ji, Honorable Union Minister of Finance, Corporate Affairs, Information and Broadcasting Ministry, Government of India. Ladies and gentlemen, Shri Arun Jaitley ji was born to a family of lawyers, social activists and philanthropists in the year 1952 at New Delhi. He has been an alumnus of leading educational institution in the country, St. Xavier's School, Sri Ram College of Commerce, and the Faculty of Law, University of Delhi. During his student days, he was very passionate about studies, debates, and sports, especially cricket. He graduated law from Delhi University in 1977. Academically, he holds a distinction of leading two professions, finance and law. Since childhood, Mr. Jaitley had a great interest in law and politics. He was elected as the president of the Delhi University Students' Union in 1974. He was very young, which also marked the beginning of his political career. He, as a student leader, was instrumental in creating awareness amongst the general public about the misgovernance and corruption in high offices. He was appointed as the convener of the Coordination Committee of the Youth and Student Organization. He has been a follower of Shri Jayaprakash Narayan and considered him as his mentor. During his early days as a leader, he was imprisoned for 19 months, increasing parliamentary seats till 2026. He successfully introduced the 91st Amendment to the Constitution of India in 2004 for penalizing defections. Shri Arun Jaitley ji has been a great supporter of the sport of cricket and has constantly tried to improve the quality and conduct of this sport, initially as the president of the Delhi Cricket Association for over 13 years and also the vice president of BCCI. As the leader of opposition from 2009 to 2014, he has put in constant efforts to bring about positive changes in the functioning of the Rajya Sabha and Parliament. He also played a vital role during the talks on the Women Reservation Bill in Rajya Sabha and also has been an ardent supporter of the Jan Lokpal Bill. On May 26, 2014, Shri Arun Jaitley ji became the Finance Minister of India, and even in these difficult times, where the world economy is stagnating, his policies, along with that of the Prime Minister Modi, have kept the Indian economy growing at a fast pace. I can appreciate that finding time from his ultra-busy schedule is no less task. And it is his love only for the aims, and his presence today is enough testimony to that he agreed to grace the occasion of 43rd convocation of the Institute, and young doctors, nurses, scientists are very dear to his heart. We have admiration for him, for his generosity, and we feel very proud and satisfied, and everybody here will get encouraged and continue climbing many more heights in years to come. And I wish him all the success, and I invite you, sir, to deliver the convocation address. Ladies and gentlemen, give him a big round of applause.
My colleague in the government and the President of the AIIMS, the Union Health Minister, Shri J.P. Nadda, the Director, Professor M.C. Mishra, Dr. Balram Aryan, Dr. Lalwani, the very distinguished recipients of the Lifetime Achievement Award, members of the AIIMS faculty, staff, and all those who are being conferred the degrees today on completion of either their ultimate or their interim courses, ladies and gentlemen. I'm extremely grateful to the AIIMS, particularly the Director and the President, for having invited me to associate with the 43rd convocation of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Dr. Mishra just now mentioned that this is the start of the 60th year of the institution. in the life of any institution, 60 years is a reasonably long period. For an institution to grow, develop its identity and discover its excellence. It learns from the experiences of the past. It is able to nourish and develop talent and formulate a functional culture of its own. It's only the initial years which are years of trouble. Though in our mythology, conventionally to reach the age of 60 was a worrisome experience. If you're in government, you retire at that age. But that's for individuals. I somehow have a feeling that in some states of North India, the word Satya drew its origin from the word from 60. Because that is when they went that when you are 60, other things start happening to you. But I'm delighted that it doesn't happen to institutions. And even in the case of individuals now, 60 is a young 60. And the possibility of improvement comes from AIIMS. The Honorable Health Minister said that doctor comes next only to God. You see, we turn to God only for faith. But whenever I am in need, I turn to AIIMS first. While keeping my faith in the ultimate alive. Because AIIMS has developed not only the competence but also the credibility of faith, which is extremely necessary. And to preserve an institution like this, cultivate it and allow it to grow, is no mean task. For the simple reason that the whole medical scenario in the country is changing. There are many more lucrative temptations to go out and work in greener pastures. And yet it is the missionary zeal of service and research that keeps many glued into an institution like AIIMS. To that extent, that association with those who contribute to AIIMS itself becomes a sense of pride and satisfaction when you work for it. People have not only given up lucrative offers, temptations. It's an institution where there are almost no working hour restrictions. It's research and patient that comes first. It's teaching that comes first. And the onerous responsibility that you have is that for any institution of excellence, and this is internationally true, you need to be a slightly elite institution. For an elite institution has the time, energy, and the orientation to concentrate. But AIIMS did not, in terms of volumes, ever aspire to be an elite institution. While keeping the reality of footfalls alive, I doubt if there is any other hospital in India which has the kind of footfalls that AIIMS has. To still continue to achieve excellence is no mean task. it became an institution for the common man, and at the same time, it was not an elite institution meant only for some. It was always available for millions and millions of people, and yet to achieve excellence in the midst of that crowd was one of the biggest challenges that the institution has had. All of you have been associated with the institution for decades. The Lifetime Achievement awardees have been here for a very long period. I have also had a vicarious association, and I have been a keen observer of the institute. And I think it grew through challenges, it grew through even crises at times. Since the Honorable Health Minister is here, I wish to recount that one mistake or an error which ministries normally make is to get over-involved in aims. And I think this has led to several problems and crises in the past. The Ministry of Health has a great supporting role to play. As a supporting role to play, it has to support and encourage the institution while not getting into the micromanagement of the institution. Medical talent. And this institution therefore has to expand. I've been in touch with the Director and the Honorable Health Minister. Of course, within this present premises where we are, there is a limited scope for expansion. We've been discussing the vision of having residences shifted somewhere else, maybe close by, and the campus being used essentially for healthcare facilities. The trauma center, the land next to the trauma center, the residential area at Arya Vigyan Nagar, the other campus that you wish to develop in Masjid Mode, the Jhajjar campus which is now developing, are very important institutions. And I am one of those who believes that ingratitude is a political sin. And therefore I remember when I was a few months ago here in my capacity as a patient, Dr. Mishra and I were discussing this. And that is when this whole vision of expanding the utility of the existing campus, I think, first came up in our discussions. There are proposals being discussed between the Health Ministry and the Department of Expenditure. I can assure you that within the constraints of budgetary allocation, we will certainly do the utmost that we can in order to support these expansions. And the reason is very simple. There is one great positive development which has taken place, which is development of good and excellent private healthcare institutions in India also. In the absence of an adequate insurance backup and the cost involved, it's only a limited section of population which can go for treatment there. And therefore, institutions of this kind in the public healthcare system need to be encouraged and nourished. And that is one of the reasons, despite the initial difficulty of availability of adequate faculty available, which I am sure in due course will get available, this whole idea of having similar institutions in other parts of the country have been coming up. It's a challenging job, but it's a job which there is no option or alternative to it. And therefore, expanding on the existing resource that we have in Delhi, I think it's a great idea, and it's an idea which requires to be expanded for all. Just two last words of suggestion, and this is for my colleague and most of you as leaders of the medical profession. We need more medical colleges. Both public and private sector education has expanded. From engineering to management to IT to education, it's expanded. Even dental schools have expanded. Nursing schools are also expanding. But medical colleges are still inadequate in number. And I think a review of the policy as far as increasing the number of medical schools is required. India is capable of producing a huge human talent. 1 out of every 7 patients in the United States is treated by a doctor of Indian origin. A large part of the British healthcare system is managed by Indian doctors. And therefore, the potential and caliber of Indian doctors is never in this issue. We need to expand quality institutions. And I think these restraints on great hospitals of the past which have existed, that because of land availability and so on, or unavailability of contiguous land, they are unable to have medical colleges next to it, needs a serious relook. You have ready-made hospitals of excellence which have worked for decades and decades, and there is no reason why by relaxing municipal laws and your medical council regulations, we are not able to overnight encourage the expansion of a few hundreds of more medical colleges in India. The second challenge which I find I come across is the policy on.
Respected sir, on behalf of the entire AIIMS family, I would like to thank you for your kind and encouraging words on this solemn occasion. Sir, perfection is...
I request everyone to kindly give a big standing ovation to Shri Arun Jaitley ji. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, sir. Sir, perfection is probably not attainable, but if we chase perfection, we are sure to achieve excellence. These words today coming from an inspiring and multifaceted perfectionist as yourself is bound to inspire an entire generation of medical professionals seated here for striving to attain that perfection in whatever they do in the future. Thank you, sir. I would now request our Chief Guest and Honorable Finance Minister, Shri Arun Jaitley ji, to hand over the 100% income tax exemption certificate for donations to the AIIMS Director. Ladies and gentlemen, this year the Ministry of Finance, Government of India has recognized AIIMS as the Institute of National Eminence and has notified that all voluntary donations made to AIIMS New Delhi would be 100% exempted from income tax. This is bound to encourage both individuals and corporates for voluntary donations to AIIMS. Thank you so much, sir. May I now request Honorable Health Minister and Director AIIMS to present our mementos to the chief guest, Shri Arun Jaitley ji. Thank you, sir. We know that you have to rush, and therefore we thank you for sparing your time for this convocation. Kindly be seated. We will continue with the convocation shortly. I would now request Director Saab to continue with the convocation.
Sir, Mr. President, we have the permission to continue the convocation. May I request the Dean to kindly present the next set of students. May I request the President AIIMS to kindly come in front.
Sir, I present to you the candidates who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of Doctor of Medicine, MD, in various disciplines, to which I pray they may be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Director of the Institute of Medical Sciences, I admit you all to the degree of Doctor of Medicine, MD, in various disciplines of this institute. And I charge you that ever in your life you prove worthy of the same.
Anesthesiology, P. Hem Kumar. Chiramal,
आगे
Shreyans Mutha, Pawan Kumar, प्रमोद अग्रवाल.
एमडी वालों के लिए आप तालियां कम क्यों बजा रहे हैं?
मंकुल गोयल, दीपक फॉरेंसिक मेडिसिन, दीपक प्रकाश, राजेश कुमार, लेबोरेटरी मेडिसिन, विकेश कुमार आर शाह. आसिफ इकबाल, मेडिसिन, राजीव रंजन लाल, पवन कुमार पी रसलकर, Harish Babu Reddy, Rajinder Singh, Shashikant Singh, Ragesh R, Vikas Kumar Pandey, Geethu Anthony, Antariksh Kumar, Alpesh Goyal, Niranjan Mahishi, Swati Tayal, Darshan Krishnappa, Gogi Ramanna Murthy. Sir, I present to you the candidates who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of Doctor of Medicine, MD, in various disciplines, to which I pray they may be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Director of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, I admit you all to the degree of Doctor of Medicine, MD, in various disciplines of this institute. And I charge you that ever in your life you prove worthy of the same.
Microbiology, Neha Rastogi, Shende Trupti Manohar, Naveen Kundu, Ankita Vaidya, Nuclear Medicine, Ajeev Kumar Mishra, Sachin Jain, Tarun Kumar Jain, Obs and Gynae, Supriya S. Jhamkandi, Yamini Kansal, Prashasti Srivastav, Veni N, Sneha J,
बच्चों की एनर्जी क्यों कम हो गई
Shikha
भाई?
Pathwa, Deepika Gupta, Piyush Bansal, Chitri, Ophthalmology, Prakash S, Anuva Rathi, Seema Meena, Kanhaiya Mittal, Neha Kamble, Abdul Samir S, Shabir B, Shreyas T.S., Venu Agarwal, सारण्या देवी के, मनीष महावीर, परवीन चतुर्वेदी, फलेरा रुचिता क्लारा, चानियारा मंथन हसमुख भाई, निखिल अग्रवाल, नितेश आर सालुंखे, राघव दिनेश रवानी, प्रतीक कटकट, ताहिदे अक्षय विजय कुमार।
Give a big round of applause for those who have been awarded already.
Sir, I present to you the candidates who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of Doctor of Medicine, MD, in various disciplines, to which I pray they may be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Director of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, I admit you all to the degree of Doctor of Medicine, MD, in various disciplines of this institute, and I charge you that ever in your life you prove worthy of the same.
Pediatrics, Puneet Kaur Sahi, Ankit Maheshwari, Animesh Das, A. Javed Ismail, Subhankar Sarkar, Vijay Ji, Priyanka Madan, Dongja Kei Hokip, Abrar Sharif M, Deepti Pandit, Joyita Bharti,
बच्चों एनर्जी डालो।
पैथोलॉजी, कवनीत कौर, कल्पना कुमारी, माइकल कुजूर, रंजीत कुमार, फार्मेकोलॉजी, लोकेश बी एन, सुगांती एस, फिजिकल मेडिसिन एंड रिहेबिलिटेशन, विपुल अग्रवाल, नितिन जोशी, फिजियोलॉजी, नेहा राठौर, सांकानिका रॉय, अविनाश कुमार, साइकियाट्री, अनिल यादव, नृपेंद्र कुमार, निशांत के एन, Rohit Alok, Pat
Big round of applause again.
Sir, I present to you the candidates who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of Master of Dental Surgery, MDS, in various disciplines, to which I pray they may be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Director of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, I admit you all to the degree of Master of Dental Surgery, MDS, in various disciplines of this institute, and I charge you that ever in your life you prove worthy of the same.
Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics, Priya Mittal. Nikhil Bansal, Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery, Khartale Dipankar Suresh, Anson Jose, Shakil Ahmed Nagori, Orthodontics, Patil Pradanya Parsuram, Arvind R, Shailendra Singh Rana, Prosthodontics, Dinesh Babu B. Sir, I present to you the candidates who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of Master in Hospital Administration, MHA, to which I pray they may be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Director of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, I admit you all, both, to the degree of Master in Hospital Administration, MHA, of this institute, and I charge you that ever in your life you prove worthy of the same.
Nishit Mittal, Laskar Manisha Kondiva, Sir, I present to you the candidates who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of Master of Science, MSc, in various disciplines, to which I pray they may be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Director of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, I admit you all to the degree of Master of Science, MSc, in various disciplines of this institute, and I charge you that ever in your life you prove worthy of the same.
Anatomy, Asha Changil, Balpreet Kaur, Biochemistry, Madiha Mudassir, Sanjeev Kumar, Nidhi Gupta, Baijnath Das, Pharmacology, Nisha Sharma, Physiology, Somil De, Jubin Rashid, Perfusion Technology, Anju Kumari, Kanika Bhardwaj, Mukesh Devnath, अजीत कुमार उपाध्याय, बालकृष्ण यादव,
Big round of applause.
Sir, I present to you the candidates who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of Master of Science, MSc, in nursing in various disciplines, to which I pray they be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Director of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, I admit all.
Gauri Manipalli Bhavya, Hari Krishna D, Haresh Nihlani, Ipsita Sahu, Jagram Meena, Jatin Agarwal, K. Abhilash, Kesavan P.S., Kuldeep Dinkar, Kumangal Bashir Ahmed, Lakshmi Vijayan, Lokesh Meena, Mandeep Singh, Manish Khattar, Navdeep Kalia, Pankaj Mahal, Pankush Gupta, Preeti Yadav, Rahul Krishnan G, Rasmi Singh, Ravi Sharma, Ritesh Goyal, Rituraj Upadhyay, Sachit Anand, Selma C.H., Saurabh Bhatia, Shivpal Saini, Siddharth Jain, Srikant Mohta, Srishti Saha, Shubhranshu Shekhar Sahu, Sumitabh Singh, Sunny Singhal, Surinder Singh, Tony Joss, Tungis Bansal, Vivek Kumar, Vrishketan Sethi, Jainab Abbas Vora, जीशन गुलाम हुसैन, स्वर्णदीप सिंह, मोहम्मद बेसिल टीके, रिजवान इसाक, फौज एम यूसुफ, विष्णु नारायण सीएस, पंकज कुमार मीना, फजलुर रहमान पी, संजीत कुमार रॉय, दादी राम जार्दी, जिगमे दोरजी, अहमद जूसन, अंगमी डोना ठंगल, पूजा, प्रतिमा मौर्य, सत्यम यादव, लक्ष्मी, अनीता, स्वीटी सोलंकी, अथिरा बाबू, सुस्मिता दास, पूनम, ब्लेसी अन्ना सेबेस्टियन, श्रद्धा श्रेष्ठा, मारिया रिया जोस, डब्लू संगीता देवी, सीनू कुरियाकोस, अंजना एस नायर, दिव्य देव, प्रिया रानी, शैली, पिंकी, रूसी अमात्य, सुनीता पुन मागर and Lung Bila NG.
Big round of applause for BSc Honours in Nursing.
Sir, I present to you the candidates who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of Bachelor of Science Honours in various disciplines, to which I pray they may be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Director of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, I admit you all to the degree of Bachelor of Science BSc Honours in various disciplines of this institute, and I charge you that ever in your life you prove worthy of the same.
Ophthalmic Techniques, Ajay Kumar Singh, Ashwini Kumar, Wasiur Rahman, Shubhi Singh, Tripti Agarwal, Ram Kailash Gujar, राखी कुमारी, सुनील कुमार, वीरेंद्र कुमार, मेडिकल टेक्नोलॉजी इन रेडियोग्राफी, परनेश पांडे, दिव्या गुप्ता, मनोरंजन सिंह, जयप्रकाश कुमार, अनुज कुमार यादव, and finally Umesh Yadav.
Sir, may I request you to kindly take your seat, sir? Thank you so much.
Sir, I pray that those candidates who have been examined and found qualified for their respective degrees but are not present here today may be admitted ex officio to their respective degrees.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the director of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, I admit all those candidates whose names are given in the list, but they are not present here today, to their respective degrees in absentia.
जलति तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Request the procession to reassemble, and I request all of you to keep standing till the time the procession leaves the hall. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We've got high tea here, but for the parents and the awardees, the lunch is arranged at the swimming pool. Thank you so much.
Institute Book Prize 2014 for the highest marks in the subject of forensic medicine is awarded to Sukhman Sergil. Institute Book Prize 2014 for the highest marks in the subject of medicine is awarded to Kartik Gupta. Kartik Gupta is also awarded Institute Book Prize for the highest marks in the subject of pediatrics. Meritorious Students of BSc Honours Nursing Program Award for standing first in clinical subjects in the form of Medal and Book Prize for the year 2014 is awarded to Linu Thomas. Linu Thomas is also awarded Dr. N.G. Gadekar Book Prize Award 2014 Nursing, Sri Madhav Das Bijlani Book Prize Award 2014 for the best BSc Nursing student in Anatomy and Physiology, Mrs. Pramda Bajaj Book Prize Award 2014 for the best BSc Nursing student in Community Health. Mrs. Pramda Bajaj Book Prize Award 2014 for the best BSc Honours Nursing student in the subject of Community Health Nursing is also awarded to Gurpinder Kaur. Meritorious Students of BSc Honours Nursing Program Award for standing first in pre and paraclinical subjects for year 2014 is awarded to Shraddha Shrestha. Institute Book Prize for BSc Post-Basic Nursing student for standing first in final exam is awarded to Rekha Rani.
I would request the chief guest to kindly take a seat, and we'll continue with the award of PhDs.
Sir, I present to you the candidates who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, PhD, to which I pray they may be admitted.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Director of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, I admit you all to the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, PhD, of this institute. And I charge you that ever in your life you prove worthy of the same.
Announce me, Manoj Kumar, Parul Kaushal, Biochemistry, Mohita Bhagat, Mohammad Waheed Ujjaman, Ivanka Madan, Biophysics, Avinash Singh, Rahul Kumar, Parul Agarwal, Vinay Kumar Sharma, Lovely Gautam, Neha Kumari, Biochemistry, Harshita Mittal, Sakshi Dhingra Batra, Community of Ophthalmology, Nupur Gupta, Endocrinology and Metabolism, Ishaq Kaushal, Forensic Medicine and Metabolism, Garima Chaudhary, Gastroenterology and HNU, Asha Mishra, Laboratory Medicine, Pooja Pallab,